Hi. Uh, Sorry to bother you. Is anyone sitting here?
Nope, go ahead. You've got the window seat of the waiting area.
Thanks. I always wanted a window seat, even if it's just a chair in the airport.
Well, enjoy the view of Gate 18. What flight are you waiting for?
I'm flying to New York. My first time on a plane. Ever. I'm nervous and hungry and excited all at once.
That's the perfect airport feeling. I'm going to Chicago, visiting my grandma. She bakes cookies the size of my head.
Now I want cookies. Can I come with you?
Only if you bring your own sleeping bag. Her couch is taken by her cat.
Deal. Hey, can I ask you something? Your English is really clear, like a movie. How do you talk like that?
Aw, thanks. I just speak naturally, but slowly. You can understand me okay?
Yes, totally. It's like subtitles, but real.
That's a first. Subtitles in human form.
I've been learning English for a while, but when people talk fast, it's like I only catch three words. Like, and you know.
That sounds about right. We love filler words. But don't worry, everyone starts there. The more you listen, the easier it gets.
What's the best way to learn faster?
Honestly, talk. Even if you make mistakes. Watch shows, repeat phrases. Oh, and record yourself speaking. Then listen back. It helps a lot.
That sounds scary.
It is at first. But later, it becomes fun. You'll laugh at your old recordings.
I already laugh at my new ones. By the way, can you help me with something?
Of course. What's up?
This announcement thing. When they talk on the speaker, I understand. 0%.
That's normal. I barely understand it too.
Really?
Totally. It's like, flight 2, to, gate 40, blah blah.
Exactly. It sounds like someone's eating a microphone.
Just listen for numbers and key words like gate, boarding, or delay.
How do you say it? Is it delay or deal A?
Delay. With a long A, it means the flight is late. Like, really late.
Like my cousin at every party.
Exactly.
Another question. How do you ask for help at the airport without sounding like a lost puppy?
Easy. Be polite and clear. Say, "Excuse me, could you help me?" Or, "Hi, I'm looking for gate 12.
Got it. What about snacks?
Try, "Where can I find something to eat around here?" Or just follow the smell of overpriced coffee.
Done. I have a nose like a food detective.
You're funny. Have you practiced English with other people?
Only my dog. But he doesn't correct my grammar.
Well, I'll try to be a little more helpful than your dog.
Sometimes I forget words in the middle of a sentence. It's embarrassing.
Don't worry, even native speakers do that. Just say, "What's the word?" Or, "How do you say?" and keep going.
Okay, how do you say the thing that holds your bag?
A trolley or a luggage cart.
Yes. That. I once called it bag on wheels.
Honestly, that's a pretty good name.
How do you keep a conversation going? I feel like I run out of words.
Great question. Just ask small questions. Like, "Where are you going? What do you do? Do you travel a lot?"
Oh, like what I'm doing right now?
Exactly. See? You're already good at it.
You're really nice. I was scared to talk, but this is fun.
Aw, thank you. I'm glad you came over. Airports can be boring unless you make a friend.
Then I owe you a snack. Want anything?
A giant cookie. Bigger than my head.
Coming right up. But if I get lost, tell them my name is Bag on Wheels. Seriously, though, thanks for helping me with English.
You're welcome. Keep speaking, keep laughing, and never stop learning.
Excuse me. Hi there. Sorry to bother you, but is this the main library?
Hi. Yes, it is. You're not bothering me at all. First day?
Yeah. How'd you guess?
You've got the classic lost and confused face. Don't worry, I had the exact same look last year. You're halfway there.
Brilliant. I was hoping I looked cool and mysterious.
So, what are you trying to find? Just the library or something inside?
Actually, both. I need to return a book, find my timetable, and maybe locate a place that sells edible food.
Quite the quest. Right, let me help you. First, the return desk is on the second floor. There's a lift round the corner, or you could take the stairs if you fancy a workout.
I'll take the stairs and pretend it's a healthy lifestyle choice.
Good attitude. And your timetable. You should have received an email with a link to the student portal. Have you checked?
Sort of. I clicked on it, got confused, and shut the tab immediately.
That's very relatable. Do you want me to show you?
Would you? That'd be amazing.
Of course. Do you have your phone?
Yeah, one moment. Here it is. And, sorry if I got like 5 alarms set. I'm terrible at mornings.
5 alarms? That's bold. Here's the app, Unilink. Tap that login, and there you go. See your timetable?
Oh wow, you've just saved my entire week.
Happy to help. So, what course are you doing?
Psychology. Thought I'd learn why people behave the way they do, including myself.
Very deep. I'm doing English Lit, so I spend most of my time pretending to understand Shakespeare.
Pretending is a key university skill, I've heard.
Absolutely. Along with nodding during lectures and Googling everything later.
Can I ask, where do people usually hang out between classes?
Good question. There's the common room in the student union, comfy sofas, cheap coffee. Lots of people pretending to study.
Sounds perfect. Is it okay for first years to go there?
Of course. Everyone's welcome. It's not Hogwarts. There's no house rivalry.
Shame. I always wanted to be in Ravenclaw.
You give off Ravenclaw energy, to be fair. Thoughtful. Curious, slightly chaotic.
Thanks. I think.
Definitely a compliment. Oh, and if you're ever really hungry, avoid the cafeteria lasagna.
Noted. What do you recommend?
There's a little sandwich shop just past the economics building. Pete's Eats. Toasties to die for.
Brilliant. Toasties and survival. That's all I need.
That and a good umbrella. Trust me, campus is a wind tunnel.
Great. So I'll be wet, lost, and confused, but at least well fed.
That's the student experience in a nutshell.
Hey, do you mind if I ask one more question?
Of course not. Fire away.
How do you make friends here? Everyone seems to already know each other.
Ooh, big one. Right, my top tips. 1. Say yes to random invites. Even if it's just, do you want to join our quiz team? 2. Join a society. Even if it's weird. Especially if it's weird. Start conversations just like this one. You're already doing it.
That's really helpful. I guess I just need to stop being afraid of looking like an idiot.
Exactly. We all look like idiots sometimes. The trick is to do it confidently.
Can I quote you on that?
Only if you give me credit in your autobiography.
Deal.